everybody, this is Second Lieutenant Aaron Hale, and this is Army Most Searched. Is Army Cyber hard to get into? As an officer, it is actually very difficult to get into. It is one of the most competitive branches. You not only have to commission, you also have to pass an Army Cyber Aptitude Test and do several interviews to get placed as an Army Cyber Officer. That being said, I'm an engineer. I had zero cyber experience going into it. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. Next one, is Army Cyber worth it? I think so. I've gotten to meet some of the smartest people I've ever met who are very adept at cyber. They're technical experts in their field. And as an officer, I've gotten to meet some of the smartest officers I've ever met. And it's probably one of the most relevant branches of the Army outside of the Army. So it carries over very well. Is Army Cyber old or new? We're actually one of the newer branches. And it is our 10th birthday today. So happy birthday, Army Cyber. Is Army Cyber everywhere? Absolutely, we're always everywhere. Cyber is everywhere. Whatever you think is easy in this world when it comes to using your computer, cyber can control. It's everywhere and you don't even know it. Last one, is Army Cyber like the movies? Absolutely not. It takes a lot of planning and focus to conduct some of the effects that you see in the movies. While those effects can be similar, like shutting down a Wi-Fi network or something like that, it takes a lot of planning, a lot of authority to actually do that. So it is nothing like any movie I've ever seen. It's better than the movies, it's reality. This has been Army Cyber Most Searched, and I'll see you at GoArmy.com.